Juvenile Justice, Care and Protection of Children Bill 2014 is introduced by the Honorable Minister to replace the Act passed in this House in the year 2000, sir. Sir, the crux of the bill is with regard to the trial of juveniles as adults. I think that is the only important issue which we had to debate in this House, sir. Because the child who is accused of any crime, who is aged between 16 and 18 years, who has committed some heinous crimes as specified in the bill, they are going to be tried as adults. This is the crux of the issue, I think, which we have to discuss and debate in detail. Sir, before that, sir, 80% of the juvenile offenders in conflict with the law come from desperately poor and deprived socio-economic backgrounds, sir. So their childhoods have been fully of poverty, violence, abuse and neglect. So they have been deprived of basic necessities such as love, affection, care and a nourishing environment. So it is their harsh upbringing that is primarily responsible for them turning to crime. Sir, let us see the statistics, sir. So the percentage of juvenile crimes to total crimes is 1.2% and the percentage of violent crime is even lesser. Sir, it is not the 1.2% of the children who are committing crime as specified by one of my colleague MP. It is the crime rate. 1.2% is the crime committed by the juveniles of all the crimes. Sir, heinous crimes such as rape and murder even constitute less than when compared with the crimes committed by the adults. Sir, the Standing Committee on Human Resource Development, which has submitted its report, has said that the increased rape cases among the juveniles, we can attribute it to the Protection of Child from Sexual Offences Act 2012, which increased the age of consent to sexual activity from 16 to 18 years. So this act has increased the age from 16 to 18 years. So that is an observation made by the Standing Committee, sir, on Human Resource Development Committees. Sir, with the issue of the crime committed by the juveniles who are aged between 16 and 18, sir, my party, we seriously oppose this clause, sir, which is inserted in the Act. Sir, the other clauses which are specified in this bill, when we compare with the earlier Act, I think there are few clauses which are good. Sir, with regard to the constitution of this Juvenile Justice Board, sir, earlier the conducting of inquiry was not specified clearly, but whereas in this bill it is very clear, and it also says that it should have a preliminary inquiry conducted in certain cases by the Juvenile Justice Board to determine whether a child is placed in a home or sent to children's court to be tried as an adult. This is what is specified in this. To observe whether he has to be tried as an adult, that I think it's not good to insert that clause or section in this bill, sir. Sir, with regard to the other issues, with regard to child welfare committees also, the Honorable Minister had taken good steps for the functioning of these committees also. And it's good that these special juvenile police units and child welfare police officers are constituted, sir. In the earlier Act, the constitution of such police units in each district consisting of a police officer with 2 social workers, 1 child welfare police officer will be present in every police station. But I don't know how budget is going to be allocated, because this is a state subject, law and order. I don't know whether this government, union government, will support the states to have this functioning in each police station. Sir, with regard to the adoption also, the provision made in this bill is laudable, sir. This is very good, because earlier juveniles who had committed some crime, care was not been taken after they become adults, sir. Sir, I request the Honorable Minister to consider to delete this provision, that is in section 7, 16, 19 subclass 3 and 20 of this bill, wherein the juvenile who is aged between 16 and 18 years, who in the event if they commit some heinous crime, they have to be tried as an adult. I think this is not good, because in the present circumstances, as said by many of the speakers earlier, they spoke of the conditions prevailing in our country, where we have to take care the young upcoming children in this country, and it's better to educate them, to have moral classes in primary education as well as in secondary education, and we can control all such crimes. But a child between the age of 16 and 18 years, if he is tried as an adult, and in the event if it is proved and conviction is made, it will be not good for the society at large. I request the Honorable Minister to see that this clause is withdrawn.
Sri M. Badruddin Khan.
Honorable Deputy Speaker, sir, as I asked to speak on legislation laid on Juvenile Justice Bill 2014 on behalf of my party. I am not totally against the